hybrid technology with petroleum engine and electric drive has a big advantage compared to standard diesel cars. The start and stop of the engine is very quiet. The interaction of the quiet electric drive with my own perception enhances my way of driving. The good design of specific details is giving me the impression of a premium car. To record the noise we hear as driver, we need a system which is exactly fitting to our hearing. And that is a binaural head microphone. Mr. Aachen Head is a 24-bit device which is as sensitive as the human hearing. The sampling frequency is very high, so we can even record and analyze short events like a squeak or a click. But the artificial head cannot drive the car. I put some small tubes in my ear canal, and the microphones outside my head recorded exactly the noise which I received in my hearing. Customers expect that their car doesn't show annoying noises. So this human-related recording technique is able to work in the same dynamic range and in the same spatial resolution as we do as passenger or driver. A luxury car will have to be much quieter than a sportive car. The first contact with the car is opening and closing the door. It's a big difference if I have a cheap, long noise with resonances and high frequencies. The door closing sound, I like it. It's very impressive sound. Deep, quick, whoop, which creates a nice, safe feeling of quality. When entering this car, this impression is continued by the high quality of the interior, the dashboard, the ceilings during drive. The wind noise is very low. After recording, we can play back and analyze and evaluate the recordings. And here we see a spectrogram which makes visible the human perception of a door closing. And we see that this is a very short and low frequency event without any resonances or tonal components. The next thing is the switching between electric drive and electric plus combustion drive. Here we see a section of about 40 seconds with several start-stop actions of the combustion engine, and what we see is nothing. This operation is a quiet and stable, constant noise. The switch between electric drive and combustion engine drive is so silent that you have to look to the display to understand that your combustion engine is running. Mr. Aachen Head and me, we enjoyed the drive because the main noise sources during drive, like road tire noise, wind noise and powertrain noise, the CT made a good first impression. I enjoyed that drive today.